If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
This is going to be the part 2 of the Karkos ink that I just got in. You know, I really do like the ink, so I wanted to get the other 3 colors that were available. And let me go ahead and start getting this done here. Here's the brown. And the orange. Excuse the mess. Last but not least is the hot pink. For you hot pink lovers out there. That's a pretty pink. What do you think?
Yes, it is.
It is a pretty pink. Okay. So, there's the 3 colors. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 10 colors. And as soon as they get any more, they'll let me know and I will pass it along to you. Folks, that'll do me. Hope you enjoyed my inks. I'm really liking them. Thank you very much. God bless. Take care, everybody. Till next time. Be safe.